All right, here we go again. Welcome back, everybody. So let's hit the record button. All right, welcome back, everybody. Welcome back, boys and girls. Welcome back, my crypto friends and family. I hope you guys are doing all right. Well, I'm a little bit later because I'm very bad at sticking to my schedule, and I know it's only gonna bite me in the butt. But it's what life is like. If you're doing multiple things together. Um, yeah, we'll see how things evolve. But so far, the evolution that we are following up close is the evolution of the Bitcoin chart. So, like I said yesterday, I put out some boxes and some ranges to hold or break. And we are going to analyze this, and then maybe if we can come up with some strategy for the next coming move. All right. So if this is stuff that you like, then remember to hit the like button, please, guys. Hit the like button. It's very important for my morale. It gives me so much more enthusiasm to know that people hit those likes. So just do it for me, please. Thank you very much. And then we're gonna dive right into the analysis after this. All right, welcome back, my friends. Welcome back. All right, so what did we discuss yesterday? Yesterday was actually a very easy one. We had the red box over here. What did I say? Rejecting the red box without having a closing candle above the yellow line. It was going to be pressure down to the orange box, but having a candle close above the yellow line would have meant as well pressure down with a chance of recovery, or actually more building up. So right now we do have this push to the downside. We have a little bit of a push to the upside, a second push to the downside, and potentially, if we look at this, this is a higher low over here, higher low. We do have a higher low on the RSI. This is very beautiful already. And now these two over here, this is basically a potential for a bullish divergence. Now, of course, and if you have been following the channel, for this thing to be confirmed, we are going to see we will need to see the price break this level over here and also break this local high on the RSI at the same time, and then we have our confirmation that this is a bullish divergence indeed. Now, of course, there are some ranges to the downside that need to hold as well, because imagine if the price keeps tumbling down. First things first, breaking this local low on the RSI would mean that we are hitting a continuation pattern. And then, of course, eventually we are going to see maybe a second attempt to make a local bullish divergence, but then we're just gonna have to reanalyze all things in due time. Remember, we go one step at a time and we think three steps ahead of us. All right, so let's see, we have one current viewer. Hey, hello, stay hello in the chat, please, so I know who I'm talking to. And also remember to hit the like buttons, please. Thank you very much. So on the high end, let's clean this chart up a little bit first, because it's not possible to be working with this mess. There we go. And we are going to start with the analysis. So over here on the local high, we have an RSI of 52.16. So let's do 52.1 because we're living large. 52.1. and this gives us a price level at 58,080. So a little bit of a range, but nothing impossible to break through. Um, but yeah, let's put it out there. There we go. Maybe we want to make this a little green because breaking this thing, we are going to see prices move to higher highs for sure. So very easily breaking through the 59,500 if this green box gets confirmed. And then, of course, we have the rest of the whole world ahead of us. Then let's look at this high end over here because I want to measure this too. Try to see how much of a bull run we could be expecting from this. So let's see, we get 67.3. Measure this off. And this is 6,700. Let's not look too ahead of it because all things point actually towards more pressure to the downside, potentially maybe a recovery somewhere on the lower end. But yeah, sure. Let's continue with the rest of the analysis. Let's go over to the downside because we also do have a downside limit that we don't want to see get broken. Would be this local low over here, and the RSI is sitting at 32.2. Do that. Go to 32.2, and this gives us 56,000 more or less. Oh, 56,000 more or less sharp. We got this one over here, and let's make this one red because if we break through this, then of course we are going to see more continuation to the downside. It's not going to be full meltdown just yet because there are still many potential areas for support on the way down. I'm just looking here at the biggest one, 55,000, very easy area for support. If this whole thing tumbles down, then potentially it's going to be down to the 50,000, and then we're going to see from there. But all in all, I think this is your best short-term analysis that we could come up with. Potentially having this red zone over here could be your next opportunity. But of course, that is if this red box holds. If the red box breaks, then like I said, it's going to be down to the next level, 55,000, potentially, maybe even if this doesn't hold, we are going to see lower areas, but I think 55,000 would be the lowest in the short term that I would be looking at. Dursum, hey, how are you doing? Yeah, sure, I could comment on Doge at some point. Long story short, you know, there's a lot of manipulation, and I think this is an issue of sentiment rather than technicals because Doge has no special technicals whatsoever. There has not been added one single thing on Doge. The only thing that has changed is Elon Musk that just keeps tweeting about it, and people keep buying it. Now, eventually, I think it's going to turn around because the crypto space is moving forward, and eventually you want to work with things that are usable and things that do make sense. And in all fairness, Doge does not make sense at all in the world of decentralization. So yeah, if you have been holding Doge, I'm really super happy for you. I hope you do great things with your great profits. But to me, I have been trying to analyze this chart It makes no sense. It's completely manipulated. So, technicals go out the window. It's, yeah. A sentimental analysis on Doge. Honestly, yeah, I can't do that. There are no metrics for it. What you can do is be on the social media and just try to jump on the hype train that the people are making. But it doesn't come down to real trading, in my opinion. So it's not something that I will be doing it. I don't know. I have no idea if Doge is going to hit $1 in a month. Honestly, the month is still over 20 days long, and a lot can happen in 20 days. This is also why I don't day trade altcoins. Altcoins are they're not really my cup of tea for day trading. There's not enough history to go off of, and there's not enough volume as well. So it's very easy to manipulate it. It's yeah, I don't know. I don't know where Doge is going to be in a year, especially not. But let me finish this Bitcoin analysis. Then we're gonna have a quick look at the Doge chart if you want to. But yeah, it's to me this is more like playing a lottery. It's if you really put faith in Elon Musk, his tweets, and you want to be a musketeer, then yeah, by all means. But I don't think it will have anything to do with real technical analysis. So yeah, let's have a look here at the 3 hour chart. So the 3 hour chart actually is painting a different picture. 3 hour chart right now, we are having a lower low on the price action, and we are dealing with a lower low on the RSI. So basically what the 3 hour chart is saying is no, this thing can keep on going a lot further. And again, since we do have a lower low on the RSI, but over here this price low is lower, potentially this could be an area, this red box could again be an area where we are going to see a bullish divergence be created. But again, nothing is confirmed right now. This is a falling knife, and if you really want to take a shot, then I would urge you to set at least a stop loss at yeah, somewhere at about 55,500 at the lowest. Because if this thing breaks, then we are going down to the next level. And like I said, this would be like, yeah, 55,000, potentially the 50,000 range, if all hell breaks loose. So yeah, this is it. More or less, we're stuck between two areas, the green box and the red box, very easily defined. And if you play your cards right, I think best is to be using the 1 hour chart for this one. You could be looking at a nice opportunity again. And yes, this is Bitcoin, this is cryptocurrency, one opportunity after the other, and this is the way we like it. Now, let's have a quick look first at the dominance, because yesterday the dominance was looking like dog poo poo, and today it does look like dog poo poo as well, especially on the 1 hour chart. Let's go over to the 5 hour chart, and the 5 hour chart again looks like there is some potential for a bottom to be formed, but nothing is yet to be confirmed so far. For now, this is a downtrend. This is yeah, this is these are the Swiss Alps going like straight down, like very steep downtrend. So this means good news for the altcoins, right? You would say, but then guess again, not all coins are actually doing all that great. Looking at Digibyte, looking at EOS is hanging in there by a thread, but I do see a lot of red coins in my view list. And then finally, we do have Doge, and for Dursum, we are going to have a look at Doge. And oh my God, Jesus, what the fuck is this? This is pure madness, guys. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. This could be a potential for a bullish divergence. Could be, but yeah. Then again, like I said, there's not enough volume of serious traders for all these technicals to actually come together and be meaningful. Because all the technicals, they only mean stuff because we have a majority of people, bots, algos, traders who are looking at these technicals. This is why these things are working. Um, when was it? Quite some time ago. We did set some ranges. Can't remember what that was for. Yeah, we did set some ranges here, and yeah, as soon as they broke out, things really. But yeah, now what is this? Is this a double top? Does this mean that it is the end of the Elon Musk tweets and the Elon Musk pumps? Honestly, I don't know. Doge is just not my cup of tea. But looking at the past, I would be expecting something similar for the very least to happen. At the very least, one more swipe down somehow, somewhere down to the 600 satoshis, and then we'll see what happens. Cool. So this is it for the cryptocurrency update. We got one more view at the dollar, having a look at what the dollar is trying to prove. And yeah, it's not doing really great so far. Potentially, we do have a bearish divergence coming in, and this would line up with this local high over here, seeing as how far these are apart. I don't think that this is going to be the quick recovery that we are all hoping. I think actually that this could be rather painful for the short term for the dollar. So let's put this here and let's put that there. There we go. Everybody happy, and voila. Awesome, beautiful. So this is it for the cryptocurrency analysis. I thank you very much for watching, my friends. Remember, hit those like buttons if you like this kind of content. Please forgive me for not being that punctual. I don't make any money with YouTube. I just do it because I enjoy it and I think it's a lot of fun. But apart from that, if I want to make money, I need to be day trading. I have my day job and some other occupations. So I hope you guys can forgive me. And if you want me to make this YouTube thing a full-time job, then you'd better hit those likes, hit those subscribes, and also share the content a little bit. Just distribute the stuff so that we grow our community. It's going to be so much more fun. Anyhow, I thank you guys very much for watching, and I will see you guys on the flip side. Remember, usually it is 5:30 p.m. UTC that I will be streaming. Sometimes a little bit later. Sometimes I have to cancel. But if you are subscribed, then you always get a notification of when I am planning to come online and when I am online. So win-win. Hope to see you guys on the next one. Have a very pleasant evening, day, or whatever it is that you are watching at. And I will see you very much. Thanks, Yusum, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.